Hi friends, it's Nirmal from nandanamexotics. Today we'll be seeing some beautiful Haworthias. They are kind of a succulent and I have given a special arrangement for them. So we will be looking at that corner of the garden. Hope you guys like the video. So Haworthias are closely related to aloe veras and are really similar in structure also. They are really cute little succulents that you'll surely enjoy. So keep watching the video. So friends, as we move on into the video, please do consider subscribing and also press the bell notification button so that you can get notified whenever I post a new video. So let's get into the video, shall we? So guys, in the video I'll be featuring some DIY pots as well as a hand planter that I made myself. It's been a while, it's been at least a year or so, it's not a fresh project, so bear with me, I don't have any making video. So friends, today's video is totally centered on the plant group called as Haworthias. They are closely related to the well-known aloe vera, and actually they even look like small miniature aloe veras in different colors and patterns. It's a very interesting group of plant to have as a collector if you are into succulents. They're naturally found in parts of South Africa, and from that itself you can deduct that they are not very well versed with water. In fact, you should only water them very scarcely, maybe once a month or so. If you live in a very hot climate, I would suggest you can water them at least twice or maybe once at least a week. But I come from a place where it is very moist year round, and we have very high humidity also. So in my schedule I only water them once a month, maybe maximum twice a month in the hottest time of the year. So I have planted all my Haworthias together in this setup so that it makes easier to care for them. All of these are different species of Haworthia, but most of them require the same care. Light wise, water wise, fertilizer needs are all kind of the same, so I have clubbed them and made into an arrangement. So this corner has 4 bowl shaped concrete planters, and all these concrete planters are DIY pots that I made from cement. I really don't think that I have to repeat how I made those concrete potters, because that is pretty common these days, and there are literally thousands of tutorials on how to make a DIY concrete pot in YouTube, so you guys can check it out there. All the pebbles and stones that I have used in this arrangement is collected from local sources and a nearby river. I have not bought anything from the store for this. All these plastic animals I have used throughout the design is actually my own toy. Recently, when I was cleaning my house, I found the stash of old toys, and I thought, okay, I could use them in my garden. That's how they ended up in the design. Since Haworthias do not appreciate standing water in their root zone, I have used a very porous medium that drains really well. The medium consists of 4 parts coarse sand, 4 parts perlite or vermiculite, and I think just 2 parts garden soil plus compost. The goal is to just create a soil that drains very well. That's all you have to take care for Haworthias. So let's talk about the design over here. I thought of an abstract concept where the hand shape in the pot represents Mother Nature, and she's giving or emitting a lot of life energy into the soil or earth. All the wildlife or the animals represent other factors of nature, and I just wanted to show the symphony of life through these 4 pots. I know I'm being so poetic, but I'm just saying this is what went through my mind when I put the hands in this system. So the hands could represent both Mother Nature as well as us humans. Just a reminder to us that we have to always cherish and preserve our precious nature. One thing I forgot to mention is about fertilizing your plant. Succulents generally do not need a lot of fertilizers, but just to promote better growth, you can fertilize them using liquid feeds that are low in nitrogen. Just give a liquid feed every 3 to 4 months, not more than that. They do not appreciate a lot of fertilizers. The center pot, which is the black one, is sitting on a 20-liter plastic bucket that I got during our house renovation. That is a paint bucket. And if any one of you has the thought of why I have kept that crystal in this pot, actually there's no reason to it. It's just looking cool, so I just placed it there. So friends, I hope you guys like and enjoy my video today. It was about my Haworthias. So please consider subscribing to the channel once again. And until next time, it's Nirmal signing off.